Hi teachers, today we're going to learn how to create a button to upload onto a GenEd teacher's Canvas homepage and then link that button to our own Canvas course. So let's get started. Here I am on my resource Canvas course homepage. I could be a speech and language pathologist or a counselor. All this would apply if you have your own Canvas course. So what I'm going to do is go into the modules. So for my resource course, I uploaded the 3rd through 6th grade district template. You could use this with any of the templates, whether that's the pre-K2 template or the secondary template. It all has this same function. So what I'm looking for is this teacher module that came with the template. And we're going to click into this page, template, icons, banner, and buttons, customization options. And it gives some information about things in the course, but we're looking for the homepage buttons section here. Okay, here we are, homepage buttons. So here are the step-by-step instructions that I'm going to show you if you need to refer back to those. And here are the buttons that we can customize. So let's just pick one and go about customizing that to say resource or speech or counselor, whatever the case may be. So I'm just going to click on this. Now you do need a Google account to do this because it uses the Google Drawings app. So once we get in here, we're going to make a copy. And the 3 parts that we can customize are, of course, the text, the image, and even the color. So let's start with the text. I'm going to just click in here into the text box, and I'm going to put resource. You could put your name, like if I wanted to do Ms. Shirley. Okay, it could look something like that. However you want to do that. I can also size this text box so it works a little better with this image. Make it smaller or make the text smaller, whatever I want to do. But let's grab this and we're going to be able to center this. Okay, let's change this image. So we'll click on that. You can see the blue line highlights it. And then I'm going to come up here to the insert image and use the drop down and search the web. So it brings up this Google Images search. Let's move over here. Okay, and I'm going to search children in a circle. Okay. I think I wanted to do the clip art one. Okay, so here's some images. When I find one I like, I'm just going to click on it. It selects it, and then before I insert, I'm going to delete this other image. So since it's highlighted, I can just hit my delete or my backspace. Okay, and then insert. Now you're going to have to size this, so just grab the corner and make it a smaller size. And then bring it over. And use those red lines to center it. Okay, I like how that looks. The last thing I want to change is the color. So you have to click outside this black border. You have to click on the edge, and then it selects the entire image. So I'm going to come over here to the fill function and pick my color. Now I really want it to stand out, so I'm going to pick a color that the GenEd teacher doesn't have on her buttons, and I'm picking gray. So really like how that looks. So I'm finished with editing my button. So now I want to come over here to File and download PNG image. That's going to work well in Canvas. So click that. You can see it downloads. Now let's talk about access to the GenEd teacher's course. If she or he has not added you as a teacher or a TA or a designer, you're not going to be able to go into their course and create this button link. So if not, you can email this PNG file to them along with the link to your course. But we're going to go ahead and get into the GenEd teacher's course and add our button. So let's go over to this tab. Here's my GenEd teacher's course, and I am on her home page. So we're going to open this up into Edit. Let's pull this down a little bit and get more room to work. Okay, and then you can see I've done this before, so we're going to unlink and delete. So close your eyes for a second. Okay, so find the spot where you want the button to be, and of course you would consult with the GenEd teacher. So I want it to be right here next to the art icon. So what I'm going to do is upload the image and then we'll link it. So click on Images over here on the right, upload a new image, choose. Okay, we're going to get this one right here. You need to know where your downloads go. And this is going to be for any screen reader that a student or a parent might be using. Give it the alt text and then upload. Okay, now we need to highlight this and then link it. Now we want to link it to our resource Canvas course. So we'll go back there, go to the home page. You can go to any page in your course, but we're going to go to the home page because that's where I want my students to land. And we just simply highlight, copy the URL, click back here, and go to the link. This link to URL, click on that. Guess I didn't get that unlinked, so we'll just delete that. Paste the new URL and update. Okay, and we want to save our work. Just to reiterate, if you do not have access to a GenEd teacher's Canvas course, you would send them the downloaded button you created and this link in an email, and they can do it themselves. Thanks for watching.